Today's video is about Cambly, and Cambly is a freelancing platform that allows tutors to train on English language. And you're told that there is no teaching certificate needed, no bachelor's degree or prior teaching experience needed. There is a lot of fun, and the fun comes, of course, with dollars. Before we get into the video, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into the video. Now, we want to be tutors. We click on Get Started. So we want to create an account. We add our email and password and then go on. You choose your country. My country is Kenya. And then we continue. Assuming you want to train adults, it will bring you to this page and then you say Get Started. So you'll fill in your details here, your basic information, your teaching style, all these details. Very simple details about yourself, from the basic information of upload a video describing what you can do in English language and your competencies as a tutor, your teaching style, about yourself, the languages that you're competent in, your work experience, and your education, and also teaching certificates. Now, next, you go to supplemental questions. When you're done with supplemental questions, you go to the connection test. Now, a connection test is a test that is run by Cambly to see if your internet connectivity is fit to hold online classes. They recommend about 3.2 MBs per second. And once you're done with the connection test, you submit your application and keep looking for notifications in your email, whether the Cambly platform have approved you or you need to keep on waiting for their approval. That's all about Cambly. A very straightforward procedure, 3 minutes and you're done. And that brings us to the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, bye-bye.